experience design?
We've been teaching it for 10 years, and experience design is something that in that time has become something that, well, everyone's always been curious about it. The term experience design was coined around in the late 90s, and it was some people that realised that our economy was shifting from a service economy to an experience economy. So we're no longer happy just buying a cup of coffee. We want to sit in a beautiful place and have that coffee. We use our laptops, and people are driven by wanting experiences. So we have product designers, graphic designers, storytellers, people that produce events, people from many different disciplines. The common thing is usually that they work in design. It's what we call an interdisciplinary course.
In the charitable sector as well, we have people that come from the arts, we have people that come from science, we had actually someone that came from a sports organization as well. So it's something that really translates into all environments. We talk a lot about co-creation, but that also means that the people we're working with, they also have to self-reflect on how they come into that space and who they are and how they want to co-design with others.
The future for experience design is being able to merge a blended experience where digital tools and digital technologies merged with live experience. And we're trying to help them change their mindset, change their way of thinking, so that they're no longer designing the end product, they're designing the journey that people will go through in order to have a fundamental change.